Hello everybody, There's Always Trains in Teton Valley, and as you may know, we recently hit 1,000 subscribers. And as sort of a celebration, I'll be giving an overview of all the engines I have in my roster, or all the HO scale engines. So I'll basically show everybody all the engines that are either operational or I'm planning to restore to make operational. So first off, we have 3814. It's a GP38-2. It's custom painted. After that, we have this Norfolk Southern SD60. I originally had plans to get it repainted into a sort of Eastern Idaho heritage scheme, but those plans fell through, at least for the time being. Over here, we have a Bachmann CSX SD40 and this CSX former NS scheme, patched for CSX. And down here we have a B&O GP40 from Atlas. And now we get into the some more Eastern Idaho stuff. Here we have 3918. It's a GP39, a 4042, a GP40-2. Both are Athearn Genesis. And we have a Key Imports Brass Union Pacific 210-2, number 5511, the same one that's now being restored to operation. Here we have a GP30, number 3047. It is a fictional model. There was no actual 3047 from what I could gather. And here we have a 3505. It's a custom model, has several custom details that the prototype has. And here we have the two SD45s, 3133 and 6513, both of which are scale trains models. They are awaiting a upgrade to have a sound decoder installed. Same goes for 3922 and 4040. These both are Athearn Genesis models. They also awaiting a sound installation. And right here is a Bachmann, Maryland and Pennsylvania 460. Although it's not operational, thought I'd include it. Here's a Bachmann Emily from Thomas. It's the only Thomas engine in my collection. And here is a Athearn Union Pacific SD45T, followed by a Baltimore, Ohio SD40. It's also an Athearn model. Here's two more Athearn Genesis models, 4039 and 4019. Two of my favorite diesels in my collection at the moment. And here is a Broadway Limited. It is a former Baltimore, Ohio SW1200. It was in the process of being repainted, but I kind of stopped that project for the time being. Don't really have any plans for it. Followed by I think this is also an Athearn. It's another B&O GP40, 6166. Over here coming out of the engine shed, it's a Bachmann Spectrum Norfolk and Western J. It's not 611, but it's 608. Still pretty good. And here is a Broadway Limited 280, also Baltimore and Ohio. And here's two Atlas models, a Western Maryland SD35 and a C&O GE. I think it's a B26. And here's the largest engine I got. It's a Brass EM1, a humongous 2884. Doesn't run yet. It's awaiting its restoration. Here is the best engine I got, my favorite engine. It's a WMC Union Pacific 442 Atlantic. It's small, but it's really powerful, can take really tight curves. It's very versatile. Best engine I got right now. And last but certainly not least is a Key Imports B&O P7 number 5300. It's the same one that they're cosmetically restoring over in Baltimore right now. It also doesn't run currently, but eventually I'll have it restored to operation. So yeah, these are all the engines in my fleet currently. Right now I have a model of 3508 being worked on, and after that there'll be a couple more engines added, and but that's pretty much it. But seriously, I thank all of you for 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe, I never would have imagined we ever would have gotten to this point. But I hope to eventually do scenery tutorials, model railroad tutorials, because eventually I'll have a new space to build a new model railroad. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.